On this video, I will show you how to fill in the settings of the budget matrix. Before filling any of the data of the matrix, you must ensure that the typology has been defined and validated with your team coordination and cell. Once your typology has been validated, complete the Settings tab of the budget matrix. It is extremely important to fully complete this tab as it creates the lists in the planning tabs of the Finance and Human Resources matrices. On the first box, Matrix Identification, you should enter the mission code. It will always be 2 letters and 1 number, the name of the mission, here it is the Faroe Islands, and the project code and its name. Here we are on Project 10 in Trainingville. On the budget period block, you should inform the budget year. In our case, we are planning for 2011, the starting date and the ending date of your budget. It is not always a calendar year. It depends on the duration of your project. Here, our budget starts in January. It will end in December. And finally, we have to choose from which month we start our forecast. For the April revision, for example, we will put April in forecast form. On the place of payment block, you will enter the list of locations where orders and staff will be paid. This data will allow you to prepare the cash request. On the budget line reference block, you will enter the list of all the budget line reference of your project. Assign to each of them a specific code. The budget reference will be the people managing the individual budget lines. Here it will be the FILCO, the admin, the logistic team leader, and the medical team leader. They have been delegated this responsibility by the budget holders. This will allow you to extract one budget by budget line reference, allowing a better communication. On the OCG classification, choose the project type that has been validated. In doubt, refer to your FILCO or head of mission. Is it a regular project, a new project, or an emergency? And finally, to which cell the project refers to. On the currency block, you will find all the currencies you will use with the rate. Euro and dollar rates for the current year will already be informed, but for the local currency, you must specify the rates. On the analytical structure, be sure that you have defined and validated your activities before completing this box. You will always find the activities, transversal operational activities, and support cost. To insert another activity, you just have to double-click on Insert and then find the wished activities on the list. As you can see, on the right you have a list of very important buttons. The Refresh Data button will be used to update your data in your matrix. The button Validate and Freeze Period will be used to take a picture of our actual dashboard to use them later for comparison. This button will be described further on the use of freeze to compare data versions video. The button Import Cost from the HR matrix will be used to import the costs related to the Human Resources matrix. The button Import Actuals from Saga. By pressing this button, you will import your accountancy from Saga accounting system. Import Actuals from Unifield button. Same function as above. It will be used when we will shift to Unifield. And the button Import KPI from FinMatrix V2 or previous versions. This button is used to import the data from the Orange tab from another matrix of the same project. This way you can compare the variances between two periods.